Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. Today is April 4th, 2021, Easter Sunday. Hope you guys had a great day with your family. Me and Wesley are hanging out in the garden. I'll give you a little update of everything that's growing, give you an update on the seedlings. The tomatoes and peppers are looking so nice, and we're gonna be direct sowing some beans and corn and some other things in the ground. So I'm gonna show you everything, all the varieties that we're starting today, and yeah, give you a little update on our progress. You ready to get started?
Let's
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, here's a quick update of everything that's been growing inside. So every other week I've been bringing them out here and giving them a water-soluble fertilizer. That's been working really well. Everyone is happy and healthy. Check out these peppers. Doing just so good. Really nice. Okra over there. These tomatoes. Check out these ground cherries. Really nice. Really happy with how everything is growing. A lot of different plants. I have so many varieties. I don't want to go over all of them right now, but got our basils, really good. Some different flowers, butterfly pea, hyacinth bean, our scarlet runner bean, which really needs to get into the ground. That's our cascade hops starting to climb up. There's my monkey of a son. Everything's doing really good. Very happy with it. And check out this okra. I learned something very interesting about okra yesterday. Let me show you. So I was looking at my okra the other day and I noticed all these little clear balls on the underside of the leaves. You see that? Hopefully you can see that. Isn't that interesting? It looks like little water droplets, but they're like jelly. They're like weird jelly little balls. And I thought they were eggs. Look at that. Isn't that weird? So it turns out that that is a natural occurrence with okra plants. In healthy plants, they secrete these like weird little jelly balls. I did some research on it. I tried to find more information. I really couldn't find anything super conclusive, but one thing I read is that they do it to attract some beneficial fungus. I don't know what that's all about, but look at these things. You rub them off, and they're like little gel balls. Look at that. They're so weird. So that's just a really interesting trait. So if you're growing okra and you have these weird little gel balls growing, don't be alarmed. It is a natural thing with okra plants. There you go. Learning something new all the time. All right, so here's all the varieties that we are starting today. We got a lot, and these are all being direct sown into the garden. First up, we have lemon balm. This is a great herb. It smells super lemony. It does spread very vigorously, so plant it somewhere where it can be a little bit more contained. Some beans we're planting, dragon tongue bush beans. Fantastic bean, really tasty. Kind of a similar one is this variety, Borlato di Vigivano Nano. Okay, shouldn't even have attempted that. It has some crazy, hard to pronounce name, but that's a really cool one. Also, contender bean, classic. So these are long beans. So these grow really big, literally like 1.5 foot long beans. They're huge. So this is a Thai purple potted is one variety. Another long bean is the Thai soldier, and also a Japanese long bean. Those are really good because you get like 3 or 4 beans in one because they're literally so long. You chop them up, you cook them just the same as beans. They're just a really great bean. Remember those? Remember the long beans?
Yeah.
All right, some carrots that we're doing. We have the Danvers number 126. We're doing the Scarlet Nantes. Carrots are something that has been tough for me. We haven't ever gotten great yields. I think our clay is just a little too hard, so we need to do something to amend it. So hopefully we have a better carrot year this year. We're also doing a rainbow mix and carrot little fingers. And one variety that you can grow when you have really heavy clay is this oxheart variety, because they don't grow as deep, they just grow wide, and they can push through some clay. So those did do better for us. All right, some corn. Now, this is something I'm really excited about, glass gem corn. If you have never seen this before, go look up glass gem corn. It's the most beautiful, beautiful thing. It looks incredible. It looks like a fairy tale plant. Really can't wait for that one. We're also growing some sweet corn. Orchard Baby is a variety.
Yeah. Tell them that it's very, very long.
It's very long? Yeah, it grows really tall. I bought those seeds a couple years ago and we just didn't have room to plant them. They get like 9 feet tall. They're very big plants. This is a really cool flower, Love in a Mist. And we're also, this is kind of a last minute purchase, growing some barley. We got some hops growing, got some barley growing. So that looks cool. It's a dark variety, Black Holus is the variety. So there you go, that's a lot of stuff. We're going to get that planted in the garden. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. So the recommended spacing on bush beans is 4 inches. So that means you can fit 16 plants in a single square foot. See that? 4, 8, 12, 16 plants. So you can get a lot of beans in a small area growing bush beans. Juniper, is that you? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end it there. Sorry I didn't get any more planting footage. My kids are overtired. We need to get them to bed. Way too many jelly beans today. You know how it is. But I got the beans planted, got the corn planted, but I still have quite a bit to do and I'm out of daylight. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have another update for you next week. And until next time, take care. I'll see you then.